we've got the piston. The ring needs putting on, so let's do that next. And we can see here that there's an arrow at the top. That always faces the exhaust. Okay, so there's the ring. Now, the way we put these rings on is, if you take a look at the ring there, right at the two terminating points, you'll see that there's a slight dip in the top on each. That goes that way. Now that dip contacts that little tiny ball bearing there on the piston. I've put many of these rings on in the past, so I'm confident doing it with my bare hands like this. All I do is I just look where that little ball bearing is, and I open the ring slightly, and then as I'm opening the ring slightly, I'm pushing down slightly on the back of the ring here to put it in the recess at the back. So I'm expanding slightly like this. It's somewhat on at the moment. Then I'll pull this part down, then pull this part down, and then now we can just pull out and push it into the recess this side, and pull it and push it into the recess this side. There. And that's in the right place now. There's a slight mark there on the piston where the edge of the ring's just brushed past it, but that won't be any problem whatsoever. The ring is now on. And you can see now that when this piston does go into the cylinder and it compresses the ring, it compresses it onto that little ball bearing, like that.